Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sotheby's International Realty for luxury lead tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Sotheby's International Realty website. Locate the Join Us section typically found in the main navigation menu. Click on the Join Us link to access registration information. Read through the introductory details to understand the benefits of joining. Scroll down to find the registration form or link to apply. Fill in the required personal information, including your name and contact details. Provide your professional background relevant to real estate. Include your previous experience or any affiliations with other real estate organizations. Choose the correct region or office location that you wish to associate with. Review the terms and conditions of membership carefully. Check any boxes indicating that you agree to the terms. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation email which will contain further instructions. Follow any additional steps outlined in the confirmation email. Prepare for an interview or onboarding call if required. Once accepted, log in to your new member portal using the credentials provided. Familiarize yourself with the tools and resources available for lead tracking. Access training materials to enhance your understanding of the platform. Connect with a mentor or fellow agents for guidance during your initial journey. Start using the lead tracking tools to manage your luxury listings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.